Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here and welcome to episode 43 of Dan's Dollars giveaways. I've just done one of these for the Peter Rabbit 2020 50p and I'm going to do another one just because there was so much interest in it. So good luck to everyone that wants to enter this one. Like I say, I know that the last one was super popular, so I'm sure there's going to be a lot of names down again for this one. All you have to do to enter is comment 43 followed by anything else. I asked you to do 43 because it's the 43rd giveaway, and then we don't have any problems with bot accounts when it comes down to the prize draw. Beatrix Potter coins were made for circulation between 2016 and 2018. However, there was two more Peter Rabbits made, one last year and one this year, the one that you can see now. They weren't made for circulation, however they are legal tender, but I'm pretty sure if you get your hands on this one you wouldn't be spending it anytime soon. So good luck to everyone that wants to enter this one. Make sure to start it with 43. And another massive shout out to everyone there that's subscribing to my channel, watching the videos, and I really can't thank you all enough. So you've got until 10 o'clock tomorrow night, 10 PM, and I'll get the winners video up there before midnight so you can find out tomorrow who the winner is. So best of luck to everyone, and as always guys, thanks for watching.